click on the jobs section on the left. So you click on jobs and it will show you all the jobs that are currently open and you're currently working on. So now if you have to create a job first, let's see how to do that. So on the blue panel on top, you have this create job option. You simply hit create job. It shows you a form which you can fill for all the job description details, starting from the title to the client, the actual job description, the skills, work experience, etc. Now there are two interesting parts to it. One is, adding collaborators to this particular job. So if you wish to work on this job with your teammates, you can actually add the collaborators that you invited to Tobu in the step that we showed earlier. And then there's the second bit where you set the recruitment funnel for this particular job. Now your funnel could consist of all kinds of stages. So maybe there's the application receive stage, a written test, phone interview, etc. And now the part to understand is that these are all editable. So if you want to delete a particular stage, you can always click on the trash icon. If you want to add another stage, you can click on add another. If you want to rearrange these stages, you simply click on the three bars and move these around, drag and drop. So to move around these stages, so you can play with this and finalize your recruitment funnel. And you can even set these stages as default so that it becomes easier to create a job the next time. And you simply hit create new job and you're done.